Welcome to DVCom Technology. In this lab, I am going to show it to you how to reset Vigor 3910 router. So basically, you can able to do the reset in two ways. The first one is the soft reset and second one is the hard reset. So in this demonstration, I'm going to show it to you how to do the soft reset. So before you are going to do the soft reset, access your DRETEC router. So before you are going to access, let's go and check what's the IP address it has. So open your system preferences, then click on the network. Then after that you can able to see here the IP address for your DRETEC router is 192.168.100.1. So let's go and check whether you are able to reach or not. Open the terminal and type the IP address is 192.168.100.1. So I have a successful reachability. Now open the browser, then type the IP address of your Vigor 3910 router, which is 192.168.100.1. Then after that, enter the username and password, which is admin and admin. Then click login. Once you log in, go to the system maintenance, then go to the reboot system. Then if you see here, there is a two options are available here. So the first option is which is using current configuration, and the second option is which is using the default factory default configuration. And make sure that if you want to reboot with the current configuration, you need to select this option, then reboot the router. In case if you want to erase all the configurations, and you need to select this and reboot it. And make sure that before you are going to reboot your router, you need to take the backup. In case if you are not going to take the backup, then you are going to lose all your configurations. So to take the backup, go to the system maintenance, then after that click on the configuration backup. There you can able to see the backup. Then after that, either you want to take a normal backup or you want to take a protect full file with password. So I want to take a normal backup. Just click on the backup. Then you can able to see here the backup is there. Then after that you just go here, reboot system. Then after that select using factory default configuration. Then after that click reboot now. So once you click on reboot now, the router is restarting. Please wait for around 25 seconds. Okay guys, once it's rebooted, it will go back to the default settings, which is the default IP is 192.168.1.1. Let's go and ping that IP. So wait for 5 seconds. It's going to come now. Now you can able to see it has come back. Then after that you just open the new window, then type the IP address 192.168.1.1. So this is what how you are going to reset your DRETEC router. In case if you want to do a hot reset, you can take a paper clip and you can able to see the reset button. Just hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds, then automatically the router is going to erase all the configurations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, which is DVCom Technology, for more videos.